What's up, everybody? Welcome to From the Vegan Side with Love. My name is Jamir, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches, and I'll give you a quick sneak peek just so you have incentive to want to stick around for it. I know it. You see it. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to make it, and without further ado, let's just get right to it. Alright, so this is everything that you're going to need for today's sandwich, and as usual, everything will be listed in the description below. Let's go ahead and jump it right off, throw the tater tots in the air fryer. Now while those are cooking, we're going to go ahead and we're going to switch on to everything else. Cut your bread real quick, you don't want to have to worry about doing that later, nice and even. Throw some butter in the pan on medium heat, and now pour your just egg in. Very important. Throw you a little lid on top. That right there is a key factor. Now throw some butter in your other skillet and put your deli meat slices on. Put your bacon on. And yeah, you see that? That egg is ready to flip. Go ahead. Flip that one time. Bam! Nicely cooked egg. Put your cheese on. And once again, put that top on. Remove it from heat. Slide it to the back. Now go ahead, make it look real pretty with the deli meat. Throw another piece of cheese over there. Boom, throw it on top. Flip your bacon real quick. Now take your egg. Go ahead and slide that on top of the meat. That's gonna help melt that cheese underneath. Now one thing you could have did is you could have put that back in the pan and covered it, but I just put it on a plate and covered it. Make sure you butter your bread very thoroughly. Let's throw that on the skillet too. We already done took the bacon off. Let's cut that bacon in half. We're gonna make this stretch. Oh yeah, them tater tots done by the way too. Look at the bread. Throw the mayo on it. I know y'all think I'm bugging. Now you wanna crush the tater tot a little bit to flatten it out. Layer that, then lay you a thing of bacon. Put the egg and the deli meat down. Put the rest of the bacon, put the rest of the tater tots. Now I'm telling you, crush them just a little bit so they lay flat. Now it's time to add just enough hot sauce to give you the flavor, not too much so it's dripping all over the place. Go ahead, put that on top. Bam. Now it's time to cut this down the middle. And wait till you see how cheesy this is. Come on, you see me out here, you see me. If you went to the corner store, you definitely buying this. Now, you obviously don't have to do the mayo and the hot sauce. I recommend it, but you could always do the, little salt, pepper, ketchup situation, and you'd be just as good with it. It's gonna be fire, I'm telling you. And you could also use a bagel, you could use a croissant, you could use whatever it is you want. But that's it. We kept it real light today, and as usual, if you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to leave a comment, like, subscribe for more content because there is a lot of content on the way, y'all, a lot. And we out now. Sincerely yours, from the vegan side with love.